Welcome to 308 Percival Road. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome in the Arborwood Homes neighborhood in the Forest Acres area of Northeast Columbia, just outside the main gate to Fort Jackson. It's convenient to I-77 as well, and also Forest Acres and Northeast area amenities. So we're inside the unit, just inside the foyer. This particular model or floor plan has luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout the main level. Also, I believe it's in the bathrooms upstairs, or the bathroom upstairs. So there's a utility closet sort of in the corner as you enter. Off the foyer as well, you do have a half or guest bathroom conveniently located. You have a single vanity and a commode in there. And then just beyond that, you have the open floor plan dining and living area. You can see the dining area sort of on this side, open to the living room there. You have some storage here under the stairs, just sort of a cubby area. On this side, you have your kitchen. It's a galley-style kitchen with granite countertops. You have gray cabinets in here, as well as stainless steel appliances. There is an above-range microwave, smooth top electric stove, as well as dishwasher, and then a fridge in black. You also have laundry connections, or at least a connection for a washer and dryer. For a washer in the kitchen here. And then you can see again the living room, which is a nice size. You have a large sliding glass door, which also serves as a nice window at the back of the unit, letting in a good bit of natural light. And then you have an enclosed or a privacy fenced in small backyard area. This particular one has a bit of patio. We'll go upstairs to the second level, where both of our bedrooms are, as well as the full bathroom in the home. So right off the landing here, you can see that full bathroom sort of straight ahead. There's a linen closet as well. To the right off the landing, you have a coat or storage closet just on the right side, heading towards the front-facing bedroom. This one has a large closet, or sort of a larger style normal closet, but goes a bit deeper, so you could technically call it a walk-in. Also has a balcony, small balcony off the front, which you can see. So enough space to put a probably small table and a couple of chairs out there. And then our full bathroom, again with a single vanity, the LVT flooring, as well as a shower and tub. And then last but not least, at the back of the unit, we have our second bedroom. This one's a good deal larger and does have 2 closets sort of flanking either side of the door. If you wanted to call one of these the master, you could, just because of the closets, but is in debate due to the balcony on the front room. So that completes our tour of this home at 308 Percival Road in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.